What's up, guys? Been a while, but I'm back, I'm healthy. Now it's time to go over a few things and let's get started back on these projects. All right, well, got the MR2. We're pulling out the swap. A couple things I got for it. I got this nice carbon fiber, true carbon fiber. It's real carbon fiber. Things for the side here. We're replacing those. We're gonna make a few changes to the MR2, and I got this nice, cool, personal Nardi steering wheel. Can't decide if I wanted to go in the MR2 or the Civic, but we'll decide that as we go along. So we got some big things coming for this MR2. I don't want to spoil it too much, but this whole setup right here is going into the white MR2, and my buddy Stash from Toy Honda is going to be going in, sponsoring the car, and man, we're going to make this thing sweet. It's going to be not what you expect, and as soon as the J-Swap is in the CK hatch and running and out of the garage, this thing is going to be completely gutted and stripped and starting its new build. But going over the Civic, this was going to be my buddy's car, but he ended up deciding that he didn't want it. So I was like, okay, well, I'll just keep it. And I got this J35 for it. So I was going to originally put that in with probably a K-Series trans, but I got a great deal on a CL Type S full car, so I'll have everything I need except for the mounts. The axles might work if I switch to a 36mm hub. Not sure on that, but we're going to be stuffing that in there. So let's go check out the Acura.
Alright guys, here's the donor car. It's actually pretty nice, but unfortunately it's getting torn apart. What I'm thinking about doing is incorporating this navigation into the Civic somehow. Be pretty sweet. But here is the engine. So we're gonna go ahead and take this thing out today. If you guys need anything off this CL, let me know. Alright guys, here we are getting the AC sucked out and the coolant drained out. We are pretty good here. No time to let this bitch out. Come on, Eddie. Eddie, where are you going? Alright guys, so the only thing left, we're going to pull these axles out, this side and this side. We got the exhaust off. That thing was heavy as shit, but got the transmission unbolted. The bolts up on the side of it over here. You got that unbolted up there, this one unbolted up here, and it looks to be about all the mounts. Yep. So let's get these axles out and get this thing pulled out. Alright guys, there it is. It's out. Now we're going to get some little things out of here that we need and get the cluster out and the ECU. It'll be good.
Alright guys, everything's packed up. Sam's over there being loud. Everything's packed up and ready to go. Everything in the front. Let's go. Alright guys, got the J35 on the engine stand out of the way. And the last but not least, we're getting the J32 swap out of the truck. See my wife's help. She's gonna help me. She's gonna drive the truck forward. I ain't got enough room up there. Try to do it by myself. It makes it harder. So, just waiting on her. A little more. A little more. Alright, a little more.
What?
A little more. A little more. You're almost there. Hold on. Go a little farther forward. Good. A little more.
Ryan, there's no more room.
A little more. You got like 3 feet. That's good. A little more. A little more.
What?
A little farther forward, you're good. That's good right there. Thank you. You're good. Alright guys, there it is. The whole J32 swap. Finally out of the truck, thanks to the wife's help. With the limited slip trans. Let's see if I can see it in there. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. You probably can't. It's pretty dark, but it goes all the way through, no bar. So we're good. And that's it. All right. Well, I guess now we're going to be waiting on some axle or some mounts from Hassport, and we'll get this thing put in here. But I guess we'll start cleaning up the engine bay and getting it ready for the J series. So, and installing this nice harness here for the headlight harness and all that stuff. So, well, till then guys, see you later. Bye.
Okay, it's rap packed in my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling. Flow is so appalling. My phone off and she calling. I'm like, yeah.